Wait, does mine? Does mine?
What?
Yes, you beat
Yes, bro. For real, bro. So if I didn't know you like that, boy, and you came near me, I would have rocked your shit instantly.
Like, send me a pic of that cutie.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna just use the SWAT riff because I'm not finna snipe both times in season.
So you have a mustache?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
What you mean? This still has a mustache, Alan.
I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen Sau? No, man. It's been a while, then, bro.
It's been a while. I miss Alone again.
Bro,
Edgar?
go see Spider-Verse.
Nah. Yeah, that shit was ripped up true. Insert photo of Stan Lee. Rip Stan Lee, bro, for real. For real. Rip the GOAT. No cap.
What a fucking guy, dude.
For real. This dude was like what, 90 and been relevant since like the fucking 1980s, bro.
Since the time he was born, he was.
And he's still gonna be relevant, bro, because all his superheroes, man. What old dude, you know, can do that, bro? For real.
No one.
Oh, these dudes are flanking, boy.
Sometimes sometimes when I can't sleep, I gotta cry myself to sleep of thinking of Stanley. You know what I'm saying?
Stan the Manly, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god.
Damn, I can't aim. Psych. That dude can't aim either,
word that he
bro.
made up? What's that open word that he made up? I don't know how to say it.
El Chapo.
Like, no, he made up like a word that he says like in every fucking game or something like that.
Oh, Excelsior.
There it is.
Oh yeah, I remember. It was Excelsior, like dog. I know. Sau just said that.
I was like playing some like Lego Marvel game last time and I saw it. I'm like, yo.
Watch out, that was weak.
Stand the fucking man.
Stan the Manly. I'm dead. I just camping back here, bro. No one's noticed me yet.
Jesus Christ, go fuck yourself, Sau.
Huh?
For real.
No, one away. Oh, come on.
From what, bro? You're not good.
I was only from.
Yo, I'm lagging, Alan. Holy shit.
Well,
I was lagging, bro. Yo, fuck that. I'm not peeking that. Don't peek that. Don't peek that, Sau.
Oh, he almost got me. I heard that.
Bloodthirsty.
So you're funny looking and funny.
Sau, you're the funniest dude alive.
Yo, you scared the shit out of me.
Bro, and get caught lagging.
Come on, Sau, you get the one on the right, get the one on the left.
Ooh, I shouldn't have done that.
I got clapped. Fuck that clap. I like how I planned it out to him, like, alright, you go right, I go left. I got
Bro, I swear, my teammate, there it is.
Bro, I shot that nigga through the wall. Damn! That nigga got died.
Dalla, please, bro, please stop.
Gonna contract the ligma from.
Alright, bro, but you don't gotta keep saying that. Long shots, baby, long shots. Hey, I don't even need them.
I didn't even need him.
I don't, bro. Damn, bro, this wall riff, dude. After I became good with it, I'm kind of eating, bro. What the fuck? Woo! Bro, whose secret mine was that, bro? That shit just saved my life, dog. Holy. Yo.
Oh, that was me.
I was dead as like 3 health, bro, and then this dude was right behind me, and then it shocked him in time. I'm like, oh,
I saw back right here. You know what I'm saying? That niggas need extra. I'll say less.
extra health? Oh yeah. Cause I was like, assault pack done. Damn, man, they destroyed it already. I don't even see it anymore. I was about to literally go get some, and then it just blew up. I'm like, yo.
That's so gay. They didn't even let Johnny just grab it.
The fuck? I bet. Come on, baby. I'm mad close to my house storm. You know what I'm saying?
Cause this bitch said I'm the next big thing.
Why do we gotta refer? Why do we always gotta keep referring to women as bitches, bro? That shit get me mad.
Bitches.
Good play, brother.
No, bro. Man.
Don't hate the game, hate the player, brother.
Don't hate the.
I mean,
no, what? It's the wrong. It's the other way around. Yeah, bro.
My bad.
Don't.
Me, fuck off.
Oh, he's taking it.
Damn, man, some random dude just took your RC, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, for real, right, Sau? Yeah, so the truth is out. Alan, it was me. I finished your RC, and I'm not sorry about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't fuck this game, dude. Like, that could have been mine. I would so in.
Whoa, Alan, no!
Oh my god. Oh my god, we gained that nigga. We gained that nigga. We back.
That was on Sal, boy. Hell no, that's not finna be me.
Nah, no, nah. He's on someone, not me.
Holy shit, he's on the car. Yo. Bitch. Yeah, let me
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. He's in respawn.
He not catching me lacking ever, boy. Hell no.
I ain't never get caught like him.
I ain't never get caught. I think he gone.
Yeah, I think he died.
Yeah, cause I don't see him through my engineer shit, bro. The fuck? I thought that was my teammate. There was literally a blue fucking name over his head, man. Whatever, bro. I'm low-key eating with the swallower, bro.
Grab my shits. Don't forget to grab my shit.
Ah, watch out, watch out. Hey, yo, thanks, guys. Where's your shit then?
Wait, don't worry, don't
Oh,
worry.
it's up here.
Back there. Oh my god, Razorwell.
There, Alan. Feliz?
Yes.
So there's no one in there, bro.
I know, but there's like a mess in there.
Sorry, Dave's girl called me the next big thing.
Sorry. I really do apologize. The fuck? I bet.
Roller pink camel, let's go. Now I get the kills with without attachments.
Here you go, boys. Now you know where they are. Yo, 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 yo. Someone help me.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
Watch out, Sal. They're coming.
Y'all niggas need UAV sail
Sal, get him. Yeah, baby. Sal the dog. There's another dog, Sal. Oh, Sal.
The freaking dog. How many dogs do they
Shit,
have?
I didn't mean to call my UAV. I mean my fucking RC.
Bro, I already have a UAV.
Don't get caught lacking, boy. Had do you actually have a UAV up, bro? Cause
You barely use the RC right now.
yeah, I mean, what you mean? Hey, we hit those. Headshot.
Oh my god.
Lester.
So
There you go, boys. Here you go. Here you go. You know, for my brothers. For my brothers.
For my fallen brothers.
Bro, if I... Man.
This bitch said I'm the next big
thing. Bro, shut the fuck up and suck this big thing.
Damn, my fucking RC.
Yo, holy shit, dude. The battery. I got another RC. Hell yeah, Sal.
Look at us.
Yeah, bro, I've been eating with the swallow left and right all of a sudden.
Oh my god, dude.
Where the fuck? Oh, behind me, bro. Yeah, bro, low-key.
Look at you, look at you, look at you, look at you, look at you.
RC Sal. You know, Marcy big fast, Marcy big fast. Woo, ankles.
You're an ugly bastard, dude.
Woo, ankles.
Sorry your girl called me the next big thing.
Hey, bro, that was a long ass drive, bro. Hey, we hit those. Holy shit, Alan, holy shit. Oh, wow, thank you. Thanks, bro. Hey.
I hit with this car dive.
I'm behind.
Yeah,
I'm calling it. I'm calling it now. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Damn.
Don't go on your left. Oh, no,
I know, I fucking saw it, but I got died.
I'm calling it.
Badass.
Hey, Sal called it.
Sal, what's with you eating with the pistol?
For real, bro, we all dropped 20 on these dudes, man.
Hey, we hit those.
20, 25, and 7 for Dr. Oh, hold up. Hey. Hey.
And I got the lead clip on all
You
y'all.
talking shit, Alan? You talking shit, Alan? You always beat your ass, nigga.
Ugly ass girlfriend, boy.
Suck my
She ugly
fucking
shit,
dick,
boy.
nigga.
She looks like
She's
a
not
guy,
ugly.
boy. She
Not
built like a
ugly.
guy, boy.
Hey, Alan, there
You
you go.
wish, cause that's the type you're into. I'm
Bro
sorry.
said you win.
That's
Get
the
off
type
You
me.
sent them a picture?
What?
You sent them a picture?
No.
You don't want to send me a picture, dog.
I don't know.
Hell no.